We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Cost to install laminate flooring. The average installation cost of laminate flooring ranges between $2 and $8 per square foot. This cost usually includes the cost of underlay and adhesives that may be used. Depending on the type of project, like adding snap-together laminate panels, this may be suitable for DIY.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.